Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
First, connect your USB microphone or XLR mic through an audio interface to your Mac. Set the audio interface sample rate to 44, 100 Hz and the bit depth to 24-bit. Open Garageband and choose a new audio track, then select the correct input channel for your mic. Enable input monitoring so you can hear yourself as you test levels. Adjust the interface preamp gain so peaks sit around -6 dB on the Garageband input meter. This prevents clipping while preserving headroom for processing. Position your microphone about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth for balanced tone and avoid proximity bass buildup. Place a pop filter roughly 3.5 inches from the mic capsule to reduce plosives effectively. Use Garageband's low-latency monitoring or disable software monitoring if you experience echo or latency issues. Record at least 2 or 3 takes so you can comp the best parts later. When tracking vocals, lightly compress with a ratio near 3:1 for control without squashing dynamics. After recording, trim silence and comp the best sections into a single clean take. Apply a noise gate with a threshold near -60 dB to remove background hiss between phrases. Use parametric EQ to cut rumble and harshness, then boost presence slightly around 3 to 5 kHz for clarity. Add gentle compression to glue the vocal and use a de-esser for sibilance if needed. Finally, export your final mix as WAV at 44, 100 Hz 16-bit or MP3 at 128 kbps for distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.